Are you looking for an introduction to Māori culture and beliefs? Do you want to incorporate Māori cultural practices in your environment? Do you want to play a role in creating frameworks that adopt Māori traditions? Our He Papa Tikanga program provides a foundation for you to better understand Māori protocols and practices to then continue building upon and finding ways to implement them in your life. Our program explores te reo Māori worldviews, including whānau structures, values and beliefs, spiritual insights and teachings, how they fit within a modern context, and the influence of te ao Māori in Aotearoa and the world today. In this part-time fees-free program, you'll learn from the comfort of your home. You'll be provided with a learning kete that you'll work throughout the year whilst being supported by regular visits from a kaitiaki, one of our experienced learning guides. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. We're here to support your goals and success. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa offers a range of free services, including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. So come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa, or for more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz. See you soon, e wha mā.